want quads of steel, this machine is for you. The key points of performance is that we're setting up the backrest so that our knee joint is in line with the center pivot point right here. What Luke is doing, he's moving slowly through a controlled range. He's holding that top bit for just a second. He's feeling the contraction through his quad muscles. This is actually a really good rehabilitation tool as well. So if you have any sort of knee tendon pain, this can help offset that. Again, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps is what I recommend for this. And guys, if you need more help, if you want help hitting your goals, book in with us for a one-on-one session with one of your coaches. Hit that link beneath this video and let's make it happen. You need to say it, man.
Action.
I wasn't ready.
Killing the vibe, Edge.